Today, we're taking a deep dive into Drip, an email marketing platform that promises powerful automation and personalized customer engagement. Drip is often marketed as the go-to tool for e-commerce businesses, offering advanced segmentation, behavior-based triggers, and deep integrations with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. When you first log into Drip, the interface feels modern and streamlined. The dashboard provides quick access to your automation workflows, campaigns, and segmentation tools. Setting up an email campaign is relatively straightforward, with a drag-and-drop builder that makes designing emails simple. However, while the editor is functional, it lacks some of the more advanced customization options available in other platforms. One of Drip's biggest selling points is its automation. You can create complex workflows that trigger emails based on customer actions, whether they abandoned a cart, browsed a product, or made a purchase. The visual workflow builder is intuitive, and the pre-built automation templates are helpful. However, if you're new to automation, the learning curve can be steep. Unlike more beginner-friendly platforms, Drip requires a solid understanding of how workflows function to get the most out of it. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Drip segmentation is another strong feature. You can filter contacts based on purchase history, email engagement, and even custom events. This is incredibly powerful for targeting specific customer groups with personalized messages. However, managing large contact lists can become cumbersome, and the interface sometimes feels slow when handling complex queries. Integrations are a major factor for any email marketing platform, and Drip does a decent job here. It connects seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms, payment processors, and CRMs. If you're using Shopify or WooCommerce, Drip's deep integration allows you to track customer data and create highly personalized email sequences. That said, it lacks some integrations that competitors, like Klaviyo, offer, which could be a deal breaker for some users. Pricing is where Drip starts to feel less appealing. Unlike some email marketing platforms that offer free plans, Drip has no free tier. The starting price is higher than many alternatives, and the cost scales up quickly as your contact list grows. While it does offer a 14-day free trial, committing to Drip can be expensive, especially for small businesses or those just starting out. On the performance side, Drip generally has strong deliverability rates. Emails reach inboxes without significant issues, and its built-in analytics provide valuable insights into open rates, click rates, and revenue attribution. However, A/B testing options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms, which might be frustrating for users looking to optimize their campaigns. Overall, Drip is a solid choice for e-commerce businesses that need advanced automation and segmentation tools. It's powerful but comes with a learning curve and a high price tag. If you're willing to invest the time and money, Drip can be a game changer for your email marketing. However, for smaller businesses or those needing a simpler solution, alternatives like MailChimp or ConvertKit might be more budget-friendly options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've used Drip and what your experience has been like.